Hi. This is going to be a popped into this video moment. When putting together the clips from the camping trip, there was a problem with a memory card corrupted, and I lost the footage of me putting up my base camp. So I'm going to come back out to where I shot that. I'm going to put the camp up and we'll look at how I did that. I'm stopped here, not where I was at, because I'm closer. When we get down to that valley, ton of mosquitoes. So I've got another thing I want to do while I'm at it. Hang on a second. There's a couple of things I wanted to test about bug repellents that you can do yourself as opposed to going out and buying something with DEET. And they claim that some of these work better. I want to put it to a test. And before anybody comments, of course, I've mentioned that I don't have a problem with poison ivy, but I'm very aware of it, just so you know. And I know that's poison ivy there, and you can see the berries up here. Okay? So, on my, excuse me. Okay, on my left arm, I'm going to treat that with just vinegar. Supposedly it doesn't matter if it's apple cider or white vinegar. What I had handy was cider vinegar, so that's what I grabbed. This is something I put together. Took 2 cups of boiling water, added it, excuse me, added it to 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. I let it steep until it came down to room temperature, which time I filtered it, used a funnel with a coffee filter to take out all of the cinnamon solids into this bottle. I added 1 teaspoon of liquid dish soap and 1 teaspoon of alcohol. I used 91%. And this I'm going to put on my right arm. Now I have the bug net put over my head. That doesn't protect parts of the neck very well. If I start getting attacked there, whichever one of these seems to be keeping better free of bugs, I will use the, and put that on my neck. So for right now, I'm going to put the vinegar on my left arm. And this is before I walk out there. If I was doing it not to be doing it on camera, I would probably be using a paper towel, something like that, to administer it. If I decide that this works well, I'll get a couple little spray bottles and I would put that in it, and I'll take the vinegar and spray that on me in the future. We'll see how this works. Let me say first off, I expect that mosquitoes aren't going to be as attracted to these things, and they'll probably repel them from there. They are attracted by carbon dioxide, so when you breathe out, they are attracted because they can smell your breath. So they come around. So I'm not sure that how well these will work. Now they'll help mask some of that. But put this lid down. Now the cinnamon is on here as a the scent to hopefully repel mosquitoes. The alcohol, I'm sure, is to help this evaporate quickly. And the dish soap makes it stick to you, so it won't just evaporate away. So how long this will stay on and stay effective, if it does, I can't say. This is my test to find out how effective this might be. So let's just put, I'm a little skeptic, okay? And let's see how it goes. So I have a bag here with the vinegar and the cinnamon solution in it. And I'm going to hike back down. You saw in that video that I already released that is a hill, and it's not a little hill like this. It's a hill like this. So I'm going to hike down there and get this put up as a pre-notice, little tease. At one point, because I think that this will come out in 2 more videos, but at one point when I go behind the thing, you're going to see that because I've been doing this as I was camping, I've knocked down some of the grassy stuff, and it's very slick, and my footing slides down. You get to see me slide down the hill. Okay? So that was interesting from my standpoint. Hopefully it'll be fun for you. Alright, I'm going to stop the camera, hike out to where it is, and I'll leave the poison ivy. I'll clear that later on. Whee! Look at the vine. I ought to do that. At some point I'll get a video of the poison ivy vine for you. It's a grapevine right by it too. Alright, let's get going.